rest station. We're in a rest station. We're getting something to eat. It's the morning. We woke up at 4. Now we're just waiting on food. And then we're an hour away from Disney. So still got a little ways to go. Are you hearing the videos of breaks? I know. We are in Disney. Wow. Oh. Wow. Wow. Your fit? Let's go. Look at our ears. Sorry. Look at, show your ears. $12.99. Wow. Jake Sully, where you at? I'm living my Pandora dream. I can't. I'm about to explode. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, I didn't even see that robot looking thing.
Explain to the viewers what's going on.
We're waiting in line for like 110 minutes in Avatar and Pandora. Sorry. And look. Whoa. So we thought we got the express passes here. Pandora doesn't offer it.
Yeah.
Dang.
Look, I'm balanced.
That's crazy. This is so wild. We're in the laboratory. Yeah, Lucky Cat.
Only food is friends. No, it says only humans are target.
Wow. Ooh, we're getting closer. Don't play.
Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. Okay, to get you flying on a banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
Oh, my.
Oh, now let's find you your avatar matches. Let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi. Flying on the back of an Ikran, or you'll begin your flight. A Na'vi guide will lead you out. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sivak Ho, rise to the challenge.
We just finished that Avatar ride.
Oh my god, I love this so much.
Beautiful. I love Avatar, and that was just, our 2-hour wait was worth every second. We're in Mount Everest.
Look, we got these bad boys.
These bad boys. Mine's Tinkerbell. What's yours?
What's this?
Stick. Bob.
I got a itchy.
We just finished eating. We're both full. All of us are full. We're going to some safari.
We're lost again.
Yeah.
Look, safaris.
We're in the safari.
Out front, now the oak coffee, even though they do look like they're wearing some striped pants, they're not. The rhinoceros up there, the black rhino. They have a pointed upper lip to help them graze and grab onto leaves, so they can see some up on the land, some in the water. And if you on land, land, a couple in the water as well. The Nile crocodile is not the largest of the crocodilian species, but they are very large, reaching out. Also on either side, there are some Maasai giraffe. Very famous animal out here in the savannah. A giraffe, they do have those spots because it helps them blend in with tree canopies. You might notice on the ground that these trees do leave a spotted shadow on the ground. Over here. A couple more giraffes on our left. Once again, these are the Maasai giraffe. You can tell it's a Maasai and not another type of giraffe based off of the overall pain to go back to sleep. It's perfectly normal for them. Lions are nocturnal, so they will spend pretty much their whole day sleeping.
Look at the paw.
She posed up nice for us. You can also see the male next to her, so we're going to pull forward just a bit. They like hunting at night dark than they can during the daylight. It will usually be those lionesses.
We're back in Pandora. Look at that. Damn. We're back in Pandora.
Excited?
Sing for me, Ruby. Keep me entertained.
My name is Ruby. It rhymes with booby. I have my friend here with my friend. Her name is Linda. It rhymes with. We're going to Universal Studios tomorrow. Boom. And that's it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh,
We've been waiting here, guys, for hours. Hours. I'm done. I'm done.
She done.
You're just filming your boobs. You're filming it again. This is supposed to be PG-13. That's not very PG-13.
Your shirt's not PG-13. Make that one face.
Oh, let me model for you guys.
Transition.
Oh, we're riding Avatar.
That guy got naked in?
What? Okay. We're doing this right again. We're going in. Our second time. Our second time. Woo.
I'm tired. Look at my Crocs.
Wow, the floor. This is the floor, guys. This is the whole floor.
Look at her.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! I recorded it! Whoa! Okay. We're in the Universal Hotel.
Look at Lady Gaga.
Oh. It has a lounge?
I'll cook you ready.
Whoa!
What's up, you guys? The Hard Rock Hotel. We're gonna stay here one night. That's a big old restaurant. Oh, there's a lady coming.
We just found out we could jump to the both parks.
It looks like something you would wear. I didn't even know that.
Oh, I'm about to steal it. Boy.
The one that we put my Apple Watch there.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa. It says quiet, please.
Check my size,
The
guys.
roof.
Dang, they already got the TV set up for us. Wow. Outlets.
No, I'm literally 5'6".
We could chill out on the roof. We didn't film yesterday at all.
It's my birthday.
It's Ruby's birthday. We're getting our foods and we're gonna eat. We already went on the Harry Potter Hagrid motorcycle ride.
Literally, I was riding a motorcycle.
10 out of 10. Oh, look at our outfits. Look at our outfits. Outfit check.
So my outfit, we're gonna start from toe to head. I got my cloud runners, something like that. Got some shorts, black spandex shorts. And then I got my Slytherin shirt. I got another Slytherin shirt at the bottom.
Bam.
And then my lanyard, Spider-Man. Oh, can't see that information.
Show the design.
Express pants.
Headband.
Oh, and then the headband, and then my Harry Potter purse because I love Harry Potter and I love Slytherin, so gotta represent both. Yeah.
Hold on, it's getting low crowded. Converse, blue shorts, my Hufflepuff, my Betty Boop lanyard, and my headband.
Wow, you're on the ride.
So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna go on more rides. Yeah, we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
We're on the Dr. Seuss ride. Exciting. What the hell? This
We thought you were still good on the ride.
Really? We were like, oh. Yeah. We're going on the Spider-Man ride.
I literally said no photography.
Oh.
Coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Far away, and you know what trouble means. Headlines, national coverage. So don't screw this up. Man, you shouldn't be out here. This could be the most dangerous night of my.
I know you can't see me, but we're in the Harry Potter ride. We went on a lot of rides. Sorry, guys. Sorry, y'all.